Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Spigen Liquid Air Designed Pixel 8 case in matte black. There are amber green on the market and navy blue too. It is made from TPU materials for durability. Drop protection via air caching technology. Matte texture design for a non-slip grip. And it raised edges for screen and camera protection. And the Pixel 8 case is compatible with only the Pixel 8, of course. The brand Spigen, delivering quality since 2008. 15 amazing years, and they are far from being done. The journey is nice with the brand, and we can unfold a new design and innovation with that. That's cool. That's committed to progressive innovations. This liquid air is really cool. Spigen Incorporated from designing Irvine, California, and it made in South Korea. The fluid modern design, equipped with a bold style for our Pixel 8. And that raised the edges for scratch prevention. This protects our screen and camera too. And the air caching technology protection at all angles. We can make gesture tap compatible, 0.07 inches added depth, and a maximum comfort in our hands. This brand is a climate partner. Over 37 million kilogram of CO2 offset, and it's charge and share compatible. 52 different countries where the Spigen works. 17 years in the industry and protecting all communities. And it protects our new Google Pixel 8 with a glance. It's easy to attach, and the phone is easy to remove, and it makes a good job. Maybe you will add to your Pixel 8 for a 360 degrees protection, a little bit foil onto the screen, and then you're ready for 360 degrees protection of your Pixel 8. That's cool. That's nice, because this gives you a second chance if you drop your Pixel 8 maybe. But take care of your Pixel 8. The case can handle this in emergency. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.